para sa ating mga first-timers dito, kumusta yung experience shooting the Caretakers?
Para po sa akin, grabe, nakakaiyak talaga. I'm so proud to be a part of this movie. Hindi lang yung movie ang nakakaiyak, but just being a part of it, from filming to promoting and then to being here at the premiere, it's just an incredible experience. I didn't know what to expect. Siyempre, kinakabahan ako, especially nung September when we're filming, but now I see just how amazing it is just to be around people that are teaching me so much, watching them, what they do. I have so much to learn, and I'm so grateful that they allowed me to be a part of this amazing project. So I'm just very grateful for that.
Okay, thank you. Nika?
Same din. Same.
Ay naku, sinasabotahin ka. Maganda kasi boses. Oh. Tingnan mo.
Wait,
Ito, ito. Yan eh.
Ika, I'll try my best. Hello, here you go.
Hello po. Same din as my husband said. Super wonderful experience. I'm so honored to be able to work on this film with, of course, the mothers. We have Miss Dimples and Miss Iza, and then what an amazing cast of talented kids with us. Like, it was really like, parang na-immerse talaga kami sa world ng Caretakers. Kasi ang layo ng taping location natin. Tapos ang ganda pa ng locations. The house was beautiful. The forest was magical po talaga. So, you were really, parang if you were pulled into the movie, we were living it while we were filming. Ang ganda talaga. What an experience. I'm so proud to be a part of it. Proud and lucky.
And yung next question, thank you, Leslie. Yung next question ko para sa mga kids natin. Kumusta yung experience at ano bang paano kayo parang tinimpla dito?
Actually, yung experience ko po, medyo nakakatakot din po para sa second horror movie na nagawa ko po.
Second. Hello, take note. Emphasis. Ano yung una, anak?
Ano po, Kampon.
Kampon.
Pero po, medyo takot din po talaga ako sa set. Pero with the help of the directors and my co-actors, nagawa ko din po through the movie. And di na po ako takot. And excited na po ako na makita yung movie. So po,
13 ka na. Pag 13 ka na, anak. I love you, na. Ilan taong ka na, anak?
8.
Oh, konti na lang. 5 years. Uy, ang bilis nun, ah. Napakahusay po, palakpakan naman natin. Wow.
And po, yung actually yung role ko po dito, yun po probably the most challenging role po na nagawa ko po. Kasi po, malayo po siya sa ginagawa ko po always. Kasi yung last horror movie ko din po, takot po ako dun eh. Ngayon po ako naman yung nakakatakot. Kaya, ayun, na-challenge po ako. Pero, for me kasi mas gusto ko po pag na-challenge po ako. Kasi, mas na-expert ko po yung pag-acting ko po. And, ayun po, with the help, kasi sabi po ni Ariel, with the help po ng mga directors, ni Miss Dimples, sa mga cast po namin. Ayun, nagawa ko naman po ng maayos. Nagawa po namin lahat ng maayos. And I think we did our best.
Congrats, kids. Marami pang magtatanong.
Thank you so much. Next, we have Tito Jerry.
Pwedeng mahingi rin yung reaction ni na Marco nung mapanood nila yung film.
First of all po, I'm really thankful to be a part of this project since last year po, I remember telling my family na gusto ko po magkaroon ng movie, and then nagkaroon po ng audition for a movie, and then nag-audition ako, and then nakuha ako, and then I was so happy to be a part of an amazing movie and to work with such kind people and genuine people, especially working with Miss Iza and Miss Dimples po. They shared so much words of wisdom to us, to all of us, and they've inspired us to be more kind. And about the movie, sobrang nakaka-proud po. I think my personal take as Ali, ang lesson po na natutunan ko doon is do not hold a grudge. You have to talk about it if you're feeling something that's bothering you or kailangan yung mapag-usapan. And dahil yun nga po, limited yung oras. We never know when nature will take something away from us. Ayun po. Thank you.
Si Marco.
Well, ayun po, first of all, I would like to thank Rain and Riga. Sobrang pasalamat po talaga na naging part ako ng movie na to. It was meticulously made and I'm just really happy to be part of it with such wonderful cast na gaya po ng sabi ni Ashley, talaga namang ang dami ko pong natutunan, especially kana Miss Dimples, kana Miss Iza. Hindi lang po about sa acting but about our personal lives as well. And I mean, after watching the movie, hindi pa siya nagsisink in. Ang hirap, ang bigat. Though, I'm just really happy and ayun nga, I'm really happy and beyond grateful to be part of it. Kasi yung message na ipinaparating ng movie na to is not just about love, about family. It's also about the nature, our surroundings, how we take care of our surroundings. And yun din talaga yung nagmamatter. And I feel like lahat naman tayo dito, meron tayong kanya-kanyang pinoprotektahan. So, meron tayong iba't ibang ways to protect our loved ones, ourselves as well, and hindi natin alam talaga kung ano yung magiging consequences ng mga ginagawa natin. So, we better make better choices for our future, life.
Thank you so much, Marco. Let's hear it also from Eric.
Okay, thank you po. So, first of all po, thank you so much po, Sir Rica, Sir Rain, to Miss Dimples, Miss Isa, and to the rest of the cast. My experience po, wala pong day na nag-pass by na shooting namin na hindi po kami tinuruan, but na nagkwentuhan nila Miss Iza, Miss Dimples, tinuruan po nila kami so much words of wisdom, just like what Ashley said. And I will forever be grateful for being a part of this movie. And parang nasabi na po nila lahat, actually. Pero, yun nga po, what matters the most is yung paligid po talaga natin. Because as long as napapamahal po tayo sa kalikasan at sa mga tao po na nakapaligid sa atin, it will come back to us. So, yun din po. Thank you so much.
Last question to for Iza and Dimples. Kasi sa kwento, di ba nakita natin kung gaano ka-protective ang isang ina sa kanyang mga anak. Gaano kayo ka-protective sa inyong mga anak sa totoong buhay?
Unahin na kita eh. Katatlo ka na. Sige na, mama.
Ako siguro po kasi I became a mother at a very young age, no? So my protective instincts, I would say, super high. Lalong-lalo na at the time when I felt very fragile, no? And very, very vulnerable. Kasi pag bata ka pa and you have to protect another child, no? As I was growing older, so was she. But to see Callie flourish into the person that she is now, at ngayon nananahan siya sa ibang bansa, ang sarap isipin na ang pagiging protective pala bilang magulang ay hindi kinakailangan ng malapit na presensya sa araw-araw. And when I came into doing this film, I had that in mind. Imagine po, tatlo yung anak ko, tama po si Iza. Isa pong 21 years old, piloto na po siya sa Australia ngayon. Babae po. But thank you very much. Really a big achievement for our family. Because alam naman ng Diyos, grabe talaga ang pagtatrabaho namin ng asawa ko para mapadala siya doon. Si Papa B, wala din sa labas. Yung pangalawa po is Alonzo, a boy who is 9 years old. Also very much like me, no? And now Ilio, who is 2. I think yung coming into this, yung protective instincts ng isang ina, isang tagapangalaga ng pamilya, ay naturalesang lumalabas, lalong-lalo na pag ikaw ay nagmamahal. Kasi kagaya nga ng sinabi ng anak kong si Marco kanina, na lahat naman tayo dito ay may pinoprotektahan. Pero ang pagpaprotekta at pagmamahal ng isang bagay, tao, kapaligiran, ay nasa sa atin din. We choose who we want to protect. We choose who we want to love. We choose who we want to become as people, as caretakers of this land. And I feel like when you become a mother, you understand that. But I'll also say na, the movie is not just about being a mother. Hindi lahat po kasi ng babae or ng tao ay nagiging ina. Pero lahat tayo ay nagmamahal at nagpoprotekta. It will not need for you to take giving birth to actual children to have protective love over those that you love. I always say na grabe yung protective instincts ko sa mga bata. Nung pinapanood ko si Lydia at si Audrey, naintindihan ko sila pareho. Wala akong pinanigan, at ako na ito, akong tutuusin, ako si Lydia dahil grabe paano, may bias na ako. Pero naintindihan ko si Audrey eh. Kahit ako din siguro, kung nalaman kong sinaktan yung anak ko, ibabalik ko yung van na yon. Babalik ako. And I think that's the entire beauty of this film, is that when you think about it, sa pagmamahal at sa pagprotekta ng mga tao at kapaligiran na minamahal natin, asaan ang mali at tama? Doon ka mapapaisip. Kung pinoprotektahan mo yung tao, yung kapaligiran na to, pinaglalaban mo ito at yun ang nasa puso mo, does that make you wrong when you try to protect the people and the country that you love? So this time, the goal of the film was not for you to take sides at malaman kung sino ang tama at mali, sino ang mas nagmamahal at sino ang mas nagpoprotekta. The goal of the film is pumukaw po sa mga puso ninyo at mapatanong kayo, sino ang gusto kong protektahan? Kapag pinangalagaan ko ba yung kapaligiran ko, ibig sabihin din ba nun ay pinoprotektahan ko ang mga taong nananahan dito? Ang pagmamahal ko ba sa kapaligiran ko ay katumbas ng pagmamahal ko sa mga taong nananahan dito? That is the goal of the film. To not know who's right or wrong, to not take sides, to not bicker among each other, but to have one true love for the place that we are on. And I think that's the beauty of the last scene when we saw, of course, Mayang, and sana po hindi natin to spoiler, but that was the beauty of the film. Doon ako pinaka, oh my God. When Mayang, yung last direct, yung kamay niya, pinatong niya doon sa both mga bata kasi pareho ng lahat ulila, doon ko naisip, kahit pala mawala ako sa buhay na ito, kung aalagaan ko yung kapaligiran ko, somebody will always look after my children. So, if I want that to happen, kailangan ngayon pa lang, gawin ko na yung duty ko to take care of the very land that will make sure my children will be okay. That for me.
Beautiful. Isa.
Thank you. Sorry, just to make sure I get the question right. Could you please
Yes.
repeat it?
Gano'n ka ka-protective as a mother? Yung protective instinct mo in real life?
Madami kasing layers ang pagiging nanay. Tulad ng nasabi ni Dimples. Yes, I am a very new mom to Dea, who turned 2 recently. However, I think I've been mothering people in my life in different ways. I guess even my father, when he was still alive, in some ways I was mothering him, and kasi when I think of mother, I think of somebody katulad ng sinabi ni Dimples. Not all women, not all mothers are just those who bore a child into the world. Some have adopted, some have nurtured or nourished as teachers, or as, you nurture and nourish in different ways. A plant, an animal, her snake, or any living being, humans, of course. Parang in that regard, I think I have been mothering. I have been that kind of energy in our home. My kuya is here. I just want my brother. I don't know if they're still here. Ben is here. I am his mother too. De, joke. Pero alam mo yun, talagang, and you will do everything that you can in that moment. Kasi I think we always we're all just doing our best with what we have, with what we're given in that exact same moment. Katulad ng sinabi ulit ni Dimples, ano ang tama, ano ang mali. In that very moment, consumed by her anger, Audrey was making what she thought was the best decision for her family. And eventually, she acknowledged it was such a bad plan. In that very moment, Lydia she just did everything to protect her family, to ensure na hindi sila papaalisin. Diba? So, I think we will do everything that we can for our loved ones. The regrets always come at the end. And for me, kaya ako gibang-giba. Kasi yung Audrey, yung journey ng character niya na galit na galit. And she was, alam mo yun, hindi niya nakikita that everything that she needed, she was so worried, how will I provide for my children? When in reality, nature will always provide. Nature will always take care of us. But in that moment, consumed by anxiety and anger, she didn't realize that her first role was to communicate and take care of her children. Nilamon siya nito. Kaya, at the end of that, diba, yung nakita mo yung moments, we have to savor these moments that we have with the people around us. Namnamin natin ito because life is unpredictable. And I think of that every day as a mother. And the best way I can protect them is to love them. To savor every moment that I have in the best way I can. And that's it. Thank you.
Well, thank you so much sa ating candidates. So much wisdom, so much good words. Thank you so much po sa ating mothers. Candidate 1 and 2. Next po, candidate number 3, Kuya Alan.
Parang pa-Miss Earth na tayo dito. No?
Yes! Di ba?
Yeah, very clear naman
Inka?
yung
Paso?
very clear naman yung message to us that we have to take care of the mother.
Nagustuhan mo, Pilipino?
Yeah, actually, napaiyak at nadala ko ng eksena. Congratulations. Pero yung question ko lang sa inyo, curious lang kami, kumbaga medyo ma-action din yung acting ninyong dalawa dito, especially si Dimples, di ba? Yung pahang and pa-acrobat. How was pa-acrobat, di ba?
Sana alam natin na hindi si Dimples yung
Pero how was the experience shooting the film and challenges you encounter doing the
Alam mo, Kuya
caretakers?
Alan, I think the biggest challenge for me was not even the end of the movie, but the entire film na dapat wala kayong masilip na ma-preempt nyo. Yun yung pinakamahirap sa akin. Kasi ang problema sa pelikula, kitang-kita mo, that's why I always silip the shots of direct, ang lapit ba? Baka konting twitch ng mata ko, mapansin mo, ay, may gagawin siya sa dulo. Kailangan, ang challenge for Lydia was to make sure naniniwala ka sa kanya. Up until nag-turn siya at lumabas yung van at ngumiti siya at dun ka parang, bakit ka ngumingiti? Diba? So, that was the challenge for me. But you know, kasi I tell you, and this is not even because I've worked with Direk Lino, even when Kali was still a child. Direk, diba? 3 or 4, si Kali, we're working on Once Upon a Time. Yan, kasama si Kuya Dominic Ochoa. I remember. Tapos naisip ko, nung time na yon, I'm on full surrender na po kasi ngayon sa buhay ko. Pag nag-40 ka pala, nandun ka na sa full surrender ka. You just allow life to happen to you. You wake up, you're healthy, you have your family, I'm okay. Anything that comes on top of it is just a mere bonus for me. And just to have you all here and to have an amazing cast and be able to work on a project that means something bigger than what I usually do. Kasi proud din naman tayo sa ibang mga pelikulang nagawa natin eh. May extra lang ako ngayon dahil this will mean something to my children. Pag nilook up nila, ginugal nila, ay mommy ko part ng The Caretakers, mapaproud sila kasi it was trying to say something. It will mean something for the future generations. So, yung challenge na nag-harness ako, kasi madaling araw na rin yun eh, but Yeah, nag-harness. Harness ako. Tapos, yung emotional baggage lang na ikaw yung nakapatay sa sarili mo. Medyo ano yun sa akin, mabigat. No? Oo. So, nung time na yun kasi we were all in the same space. No? And nung i-harness na ako, it's not easy for me kasi takot po ako sa heights. Pero kasi may mga bagay kang lulunukin para sa trabaho talaga. Isipin mo, kasama yon. Pero buti na lang, hindi talaga nila binali yung kamay ko, Kuya Alan. Kasi nung pinapanood ko kanina, nung nag-dubbing ako, wala pang effects direct, di ba? So hindi ko pa kanina, na-impress ako. Sabi ko, oh my God, nakakatakot pala ako sa pelikulang to. Hindi ko na-realize, but I guess, yeah, di ba? Sabi ni Isa, girl, as Linda Blair ko, sabi ko, wow, feeling na feel ko talaga. Pero ako, I feel very blessed because even while we were shooting it, Kuya Alan, I'll tell you, hindi ako natakot na parang mahuhulog ako doon. No. I know Rain Entertainment. I know Regal Films. I know there's nothing for me to worry. Iingat pa ako doon, matagal pa ako doon, ganun pa ako doon. I have full trust. It was not a challenge to shoot the physical things. It was more a challenge for me to make sure na yung mukha ko hindi magbigay ng inkling sa inyo. Yun ang pinaka-challenge sa akin.
Thank you, Dimples. Kay ano naman, Isa, tanong ko lang kasi I think this is your first movie together. Pero hindi to yung nagka-work kayo na first time, di ba? Pero how do you define Dimples now na naka-work mo dito as an actress, di ba? Personally, yung how you work on yung inyong relationship dito as ang character ninyo.
As an actor,
Para kasing para kayong love team dito, di ba? Para kayo yung nagdala ng movie. Pero paano nyo winork on yung inyong parehong tandem dito bilang the caretakers?
siguro I'll talk about her not just as an actress, but beyond. I think, nakakasalamuha ko naman si Dimples mangilang beses na sa industriyang ito. We briefly worked together in a series for Dreamscape. She played young Susan Roses, I played young Pilar Pilapil. It was brief. Alas hindi mo maalala eh. Sabi ko, hindi work na tayo. Pero nangyayari yan kasi, kami nga ni Dennis Trill, sabi ko, hindi ba tayo nagka-work? May nag-post, may scene kami sa Etheria, mali ako. Alam mo yung, sometimes hindi mo na maalala eh. But I remember that. And then, she actually played my mother in the story, it's so weird to say this, in the story of my life for MMK before, when they did it we were launching Biggest Loser, they wanted to do it, and then she played Mary Ann. So I visited the set. I remember talking to her briefly, a few things, she would ask me questions. If you have any questions, I'll tell you a little bit about my mother. Things that were not said in the script, ganyan. And then, over the years, I would see her in social gatherings. And it was always just hi and warm and ganyan. And it was always just that. And then finally, we got to work together. Hindi kami tumitigil, chumika. And very me. So the dynamic duo of chika. Yun lang. Hindi ko nga alam paano to natapos nila Shugo eh. Kasi ang dal-dal talaga namin. Pero beyond that, she has this wealth of experience in being a mother. That I come humbly asking for tips, for experiences. I just want her to tell her story because you just pick out naman of what you can, di ba? And then na-enjoy ko yung kanyang energy at na-inspire ako sa kanyang pagiging businesswoman. Girl, this woman works hard. You work really hard. I admire you for that. Hindi kasi everything that you have now, you have worked really hard for. And nobody can contest that. And as an actress, fellow actress, syempre meron kang, paano kaya to? Sana cooperative. Kasi ako, kilala ko ang sarili ko. I know how I am. So I know that I will give. Yes? I will come to you. I will ask you first, do you need me? And I will seek for help when I need help. So I didn't know how she would be as a co-actor. And I remember that scene sa Silong, sabi ko lang sa kanya, Dims, gumanon ako. Kasi kinailangan ko siya at that moment, nagbigay siya. Inallow niya ako to share that energy because I needed her in that moment. I needed to feel present in that moment. And you helped me a lot, so thank you. So, you know, and that to me, that is what you feel when you watch something. That is the magic of acting. For me. So, I am very grateful. Nakita natin kanina si Jody, one of my favorite co-actors, Sunshine Dizon. Ilalagay na kita sa listahan na yun. Yes. Kasi hindi maramot. Alam mo yun, nakipagsayaw sa akin. So, yun ang aking experience working with Dimples. So, yun. Oo. Ngayon ka naiyak? Oo. Love you. May bago na. Alam mo yun, ang hirap kasi mag-establish ng friendship ng malalim sa stage na ito ng buhay namin, na napaka-busy namin. It's easier when you're younger eh. Because you have so much time. But when you get older, you have so much on your plate. So for it to get deeper will take a lot of conscious work and will take a lot of, even if we are not in the same space hanging out, you know, you can count on me and I can count on you. I think ganun lang siya kasimple. So I think, I would like to think that we have become friends through this project na yung hindi lang, hi, hello, how are you? So, and I am grateful for that. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
So happy birthday to
Congratulations
you.
po sa newfound friendship na nabuo. Thank you so much, Kuya Alan. Next, Tito Jun Lalit.
Yeah.
Himself?
Ayun pala.
Anyways,
Mayang?
Big brother.
Pero before I ask, bago ako magtanong, mag-react ka naman, Dimples, kasi kasi dapat may reaction.
Yes, opo.
Nakaka-touch yung sinabi
Thank
ni
you.
Isa,
Thank you,
diba?
Sir Jun, you ask. Kasi ako naman, nagka-rule kasi ako pag di ako tinatanong para di na lang ako nagsasalita.
Dapat may reaction.
I have to tell you, Kay, it really touched my heart because, you know, tama po si Isa. Siyempre, alam mo naman, Sir Jun, yung mga kaibigan ko, sanay kasi ako sa mga kaibigan ng mga superstar. Diba, and Isa is a superstar. For me, before working with her, yes, Mama, you are a superstar. You had forgotten you're Amihan, ha?
Yes.
Oh.
A little
Teka, yung pagka-superstar, a little bit of bold star daw, sabi niya. Sabi ko kanina, Isa, huwag kang gigilid. Ba-viral tayo dyan.
triangle of happiness.
Triangle of happiness. No, but ako kasi, having been able to experience friendships with Angel and Bea and now Isa, I feel very blessed that I get to work with such big stars and big energies like themselves and yet so grounded. Yun yung pinakamaganda sa lahat ng nangyaring ito. Na alam mong nagniningning siya, malaki yung pagdingning niya, pero hindi niya ipinaramdam sa'yo na malaki siya. Yun yung importante sa akin. Oo, kasi hindi sa ganung bagay. Pero totoo po yun na parang pinag-adya ng pagkakataon na kami ni Isa ay naniniwala po kasi ako sa perfect timing. Wala akong pinipilit na mga bagay. And thank God when sina Direk Lino, Direk Philip, and Direk Shugo had approached and said, this is finally happening. This is with Isa Calzado. And I was like, wow. Sino ba naman ako, di ba? Brain mo, mga katrabaho mo, si Isa. I feel so blessed. Dahil ang roots ko ever since naman po ay support eh. That was my roots. Up until, of course, dumating na lang yung mga kontrabida roles and then it became a different path. But even after those roles, I still go back to my support root. That's where my heart lies all the time. Because I feel that in this business, if you are able to collaborate with all kinds of stars, budding star, bigger star, smaller star, there are no small roles, only small actors. So, the energy of Isa was very timely for me to experience at this point in my life because I needed a refresher on motherhood. I needed to feel a new mom energy to come into my life and tell me, huy, kahit matagal ka ng nanay, there's much more to learn. And for me, that was the most humbling experience, to have her energy and see her so excited to see Dea, so excited to talk about her, talk to her over the phone, and this tells me, Dimples, kahit na 21 na si Cal, kahit na 9 na si Alonzo, now that you have Ilio, this is a new path for you to take. Minsan po kasi pag matagal ka na ng isang bagay, katulad ng pagiging ina, may pagod na siyang dala. Meron ka ng frustration na dala. Pero normal yun kasi dinadaanan natin yun. At sabi siguro ni Lord, ay, pagkabuhin ko kayo ni Iza, kasi wala kang time magkaibigan ngayon, di ba? So ilagay ko yung mga pwede mong maging kaibigan sa trabaho para masaya. Oo. So sabi ko, ay, ang ganda, Lord, thank you para sa regalo ng isang Iza. Kasi every time she would say, I always ask tips from you. Ang hindi niya alam, I always watch her. Kahit na medyo tulog po ako, kasi lagi po akong tulog sa set. Opo, lagi kong iniisip, ganito ko nung tusikal. Ito ko dapat ngayon kay Ilio. And much as Iza thinks I get to help her with Dea, what she doesn't know is she's actually helping me heal all of my frustrations that have already accumulated over time because Cal is now 21. I have been renewed as a mother because of her new energy. Yeah. Thank you, Mama. Happy birthday to you.
It's,
I love you. Okay, tama. So alam mo na ha, hintayin mo yung relo papagawa ko kay Papa B. Sabi ko po kasi kanina, ang ganda ng relo ko, Iza, no? Regalo ng asawa ko to. Oh really? Saan niya pinili? Ginawa niya from scratch. Opo, mula sa dial, mula sa yung mga simpleng bagay na ginagawa ng asawa ko para sa akin. Sabi ko kay Iza, kung mag-alam, pagawan kita. Mahilig ka naman sa ganito, itsura, no? Alam mo na. Sabi niya, pag mahal, wag na. Wag ka mag-alala, dito mahal. Mahal, may maraming pagmamahal. Oo, ang nilagay na effort. Pero, it's really the effort of Iza that I admire most because there was common respect on set, Tita June. Tama siya doon. Minsan, gagamayin mo yung artista kasi hindi mo alam kung gusto niya ba munang mag-shine ngayon or gusto niya bang magbigay. Ako naman, marespeto ako sa ganun kasi lumaki ako sa mga veterana So, alam ko magbigay. Yan ang pinakamagaling ako sa totoo lang, ang magbigay. Yun ang gift ko kasi I don't know anything else. I grew up in this business giving. No? And when you grow up to be a support character, you always remind yourself to know your place. This is where I'm at. And being a support character doesn't mean you're on the sideline. You hold up those who's supposed to shine at that moment. And then you wait for your moment to come. That for me was the biggest gift of this film, Mr. June, is that Iza and I worked as a team. Nobody wanted to outshine one another. And that's why you can see it on the film. Makikita mo pag titibang ka, diba, Tita June, parang, Kaya nung tinignan ko, ang ganda. Ang sarap magsayaw pag ang kasayaw mo hindi nananapak ng paa.
yes, very well said.
Trained by Lito Calzado kasi.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Yeah.
Thank you, Dems.
Yeah, okay.
Ano ba to?
So ito, very very touching yung mga sinabi niyo sa isa. Parang hindi natin kagagaling sa panonood na magkaaway kayo. Oo.
Hindi na halata dun sa nagpatayan yun.
Yung iba kasi nadadala nila yung mga ginagawa nila sa eksena, nagkakairitaan, na alam mo yun, hindi, pero kayo kitang-kita na ang galing yung umarte sa pelikula. Kasi pagdating sa real life, iba di ba? Hindi nyo, talagang yun, acting lang, di ba? So congratulations kasi nga ang galing-galing yung dalawa.
Thank you, Tita Jo.
Ang galing nyo rin sumagot. Parang nakaka-insecure na magtanong.
Galingan mo! May challenge, may challenge.
Baka lumabas akong bubita. My God. anyways, oo. Hindi, pero kayong dalawa talaga, dalawa kayo sa pinakagusto ko. Hindi kasi kayo plastic. Mabait kayo, marunong siguro masaya ang industriya kung lahat katulad nyo di ba? Oo. Hindi pretentious, walang kaplastikan. Totoong tao, di ba? Oo. Ang tanong, saan ipupurihin ko muna sila kasi mahaba sila sumagot. Kailangan mahabang sabihin.
Gorgie,
Kailangan kasi pagpantayan ako sa kanila, hindi mo ba nahalata? Sumagot si Dimple, 8 minutes. Hindi, pero ito kidding aside. Ito na lang, gaano kayo nape-pressure ngayon? Kasi syempre, first movie of Regal and Rain Entertainment to, although nakita nga natin kung gaano kaganda yung pelikula, nakaka-pressure for you guys. Kung una kayo, di ba?
I don't feel any pressure right now.
Yeah, thank you, Janina. Okay.
Thank you. Hindi, pero, bumulong sa akin yung Dimples kanina, patapos pa lang yung pelikula.
Sabi ko, Isa, may chance tayo. Ang ganda ng movie.
Yun na lang.
May chance tayo.
May chance.
Kasi you never expect naman, di ba?
Yes. Hindi kasi ako talaga na-pressure. Ayokong hindi. Choice siya. Na ayokong magpa-pressure. Hindi naman makakaganda. Hindi naman niya...
Hindi nakakayaman.
Hindi nakakayaman. Hindi naman niya masosolve yung problema mo.
True.
Now, after watching the film, merong konting hinga. Hindi, malaking hinga na may pag-asa, totoo. Na-appreciate ko yung pelikula that's step 1. So kung na-appreciate ko, siguro mayroon pang iba na makaka-appreciate. You talked about God's timing. Sana ito ay magandang timing din para sa ating manonood na mapanood ito. Baka this feels like it's something important to them. Kasi naniniwala ko sa word of mouth. It's really the most powerful marketing tool that we have.
Yes.
When you have a good product and people like it, they will talk about it. Now, I think the pressure comes with this has to be talked about in a first few days for us to stay in cinemas. And we're talking about the reality of Filipino films now. So there is urgency, not pressure perhaps, and the urgency is we need to tell people if you liked it, and if you didn't, we will of course respect that. Pero kung nagustuhan niyo po, please tell everybody that you liked it because people respect your opinion. And they will believe you when they say that you liked the film, that you think it is worth their money. Because truthfully, it's expensive to go to cinemas. Why will I go to a cinema if I can wait for this in a streaming platform? I will tell you why. Because I watched it on a relatively big screen. Thank you, LG. Okay, maganda. Then I tried on the phone. Hindi ako satisfied. At iPad, hindi talaga. And I watched it today in the cinema, and there were details that I missed because the screen was smaller. There was a feeling na mas nadadala ka dahil dun sa reaksyon ng tao sa paligid mo. Di ba? Nung unang binuto
si Isa kasi nakatalukbong dun sa ulo niya. Dito,
kasi
Jun, hindi ka pa naman natakot yung katabi mo, parang nakaganon.
Kasi malamig, so yung jacket ko, nilagay ko sa ulo ko. As Mama Mary. Hindi, talagang lamigin.
talaga si Mama Mary.
Lamigin kasi ako, tapos yung draft nandun sa ko, dibso ka matakot. Pag tingin natakot siya. Hindi, pero yung unang di ba, yung unang pagtanggal nung rune, marinig mo yung tao, you don't get that if you're watching it alone. There is an experience that still na hindi mo pa rin makukuha. Pag pinanood mo siya mag-isa o kahit dalawa kayo, pwede magdalawa yun. Pwede. Pero yung buong movie, yung buong cinema, sabay-sabay kayo nag-react, exhilarating pa rin yung experience, di ba? Hanggang sa nung huli, nung ito na, nag-unfold na, nararamdaman mo siya, energy siya dun sa cinema. Na irreplaceable siya. So, I think, please, we really need to tell people that it is worth their time and their money. So, we hope that we can count on you. With all humility po, kami po ay talagang parang halos lumuhod na. Diba?
Yeah.
Yun po ang estado ng ating industriya ngayon. So, I really, hopefully, if you want to, for the Filipino film industry to thrive, we have to support one another. So we really would love for you to tell people about it. Sana po'y nagustuhan ninyo. At sana'y, yun po ang pressure. Yun siya. It's an pressure po sa inyo.
Yeah. Pero alam mo, Isa,
Love you.
yeah, sa galing mong ng mga sinabi mo, sa galing ng pagkakakwento mo, na-convince mo kami na dapat manood talaga sa sinihan. Pili ko magiging blockbuster sa sagot mo pala, ang bongga. Kaya,
Salamat po.
Tignan naman natin sagot ni Dimples.
Tito Jun.
Yeah, sabi nung may reaction dito, naku, mahaba ulit.
Mahaba. Hindi, isihan ko na lang. Pareho naman kami mahaba o sumagot. Okay po ba kayo mga anak? Okay.
Mahirapan ka mag-transcribe si Gorgie.
Sorry po. Alam mo naman ako magkwento.
Pero hindi ako parang feeling ko pag napanood yung sinabi ni Isa, makukonvince yung mga makakapanood na, let's watch this sinihan, di ba? Ang ganda ng pagkaka-explain niya. So, dapat talbugan mo dito.
Uy, walang ganon.
So, ang pressure po ay nagaling
Walang
kay
talbugan.
Para
May
lalo
pressure.
maging blockbuster.
Hindi siguro. Ito na pang Ako na lang siguro, I personally do not feel any pressure po kasi naniniwala ako dun sa team na gumawa ng pelikula. Yun lang. Kasi it would be very narcissistic to think na pag na-pressure ako dahil lang sa akin yun. Hindi po ganun eh. Ako kasi binigay ko na yung trabaho ko and because ginawa ng lahat ang trabaho nila ng mahusay, there's no need to be pressured. Kasi nakita nyo naman po, narinig nyo yung sound, nakita nyo yung ilaw, nakita nyo yung production design, the direction. Sabi ko nga kanina kay Iza, meron po akong isang scene na sabi ko, grabe yung direksyogo. Kinunan pa niya ng shot yung mga nakatalokbong na mga furniture. Kala mo may ambag dun sa Alam mo na nervous ako, isip ko, gagalaw ba yun? Direct naman, ba't nilagyan mo pa ng shot yun? Gagalaw ba yun? So these little minute, you might think mundane things are not really mundane at all. Because in truth, kahit hindi yun gumagalaw, it is a part of the set. It is a part of the environment. It was a statement. And because of those little tiny things all together, I personally don't feel any pressure because it was a team effort. Sir June, it was not just I. Lahat kami dito work very hard for that and we believe in the project. Kaya sabi nga po ni Iza, best to watch it talaga in the cinemas. Totoo yun. Sabi nga ng anak natin dito, meticulously made. Oh, spell mo nga, spell mo. Mabusisi na lang. Busisi.
Attention to detail.
Pero alam mo, feeling ko, nandito lang si Mother Lily. Alam ko, pumapalakpak siya, tumatalon siya, knowing her, di ba? Nag-agree si Rosel, di ba? Kanina ang dami talagang sinasabi ni Rosel na talagang puring-puri ang movie. Tamang-tama tong collaboration nila ng Rain Entertainment. And
Yes!
So, ngayon
The
pa lang-
first of many!
Yes, ngayon pa lang congratulations sa inyong lahat.
Sir Jenny.
Especially, syempre, kayong dalawa, and Rosel, Kit, and Direk Lino, and the group of Rain Entertainment. Thank
Philip
you.
and Shugo.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Tito June. And yes, speaking of Rain Entertainment,